How to add Cash App to wallet. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add Cash App to wallet. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, update your Cash App to the latest version. Before linking your Cash App card to Apple Wallet, make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your device. You can check for updates in your device's App Store. Now, open Apple Wallet on your device. Open the Apple Wallet application on your device. This can be done by tapping on the Wallet app icon on your home screen. Further, select the Add Card option. Tap on the Add Card option to add a new credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet. Now, go ahead and scan or enter the details of your Cash App card. You will be prompted to either scan your Cash App card or manually enter the card details such as the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will then be required to verify your card for security. Once you have entered your card details, you will be asked to verify your card for security purposes. This can be done either through a text message or a phone call to the number associated with your Cash App account. So, this is how you can add Cash App to wallet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.